Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, August 6, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
There's a dollar move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in that dollar and then continue on why we got in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, right here, there is about a $2 move. What we're going to do at this point is we're going to lock in $1.50 just in case this has another retrace, but based on what the charts are telling us, the statistical probability of this continuing is very high. It is even to the point where there's a high probability that this will go back to the high of the day. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over why we entered this trade and manage bar by bar from there. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern with slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. And we just locked in $2.50 move right here is a $3 move. So what I would like to see is the price to accelerate out of this C retrace up to the high of the day. If it does that, we'll punch out. If not, we're going to manage bar by bar and see what happens.
Order fill.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a $3.25 move, all in less than 10 minutes. As always, never forget, be a pro.